We are Nesma, Sultan, Patricia, and Leah, and we created a proposal for the cross-country spectator arena in Ramsau am Dachstein.
What does a community like Ramsau really need? And how can we create a building that leads to people connecting with each other to create new ideas and celebrate events? This is the question that followed us through the whole project.
Arena is located in the center of Ramsau, right next to the local swimming pool and the ski jumping facility.
Our arena concept is based on the structure and principles of the Palazzo della Regione in Padua. This medieval palace of justice building was established in the 30th century and once served not only as a town hall but also as a market hall. It was and still is a multi-purpose building. This idea is translated into a multifunctional arena, serving as a cross-country arena in winter and event location in summer, a place where people get to meet, work and communicate.
Similar to the Palazzo della Regione, our arena building is surrounded by an arcade. It serves as a buffer zone, creating a transitional area between the weather-exposed outside and the dry and warm inside. Visitors are guided through and around the building in an intuitive and self-explanatory way.
By moving through the building, the sense of intimacy increases from the exterior to the interior of the arena building. On the outside, the building presents a more formal and neutral facade. However, as one processes into the building, the spaces generally become more personalized and more comfortable. Our building is based on a grid which defines our construction. However, the rooms can be divided and used in a flexible manner. That way, it is made sure that the local community can still shape the arena according to their own needs.
The grid starts in the parking deck and reaches up to the second floor. The ground floor shows the surrounding arcade and the special two-story multipurpose hall in the northern end of the building. This hall can be used for various events. The first floor consists of all the necessary organizational rooms. In contrast to that, the second floor can be used as a VIP area. However, the second floor is not only for VIPs, but fits the containers for the media broadcasting. That way they can easily overlook the arena.
Altogether, we create on the one hand closed, narrow spaces like the arcade, in balance with the open and wide spaces like the multi-purpose hall. This is visible in our sections.
The building connects with the community of Ramsau am Dachstein, not only in the way it is used, but also in the way it is shaped. Its visual appearance is inspired by the local vernacular architecture. The arena rests on a solid concrete pedestal elevating the ground floor from the street level. Furthermore, the wooden pillars are supported by concrete posts. The wood connections are easy to construct and reconstruct.
The facade is minimalist and reduced in ornamentation. That way, it doesn't interrupt the surrounding environment. More so, it fits into the mountain shapes and neighboring gable roofs, without trying aggressively, almost in a reserved way. Construction becomes ornamentation and the scale of the beams and posts is chosen precisely and adjusted to the building dimension. The doubled beams create a certain lightness. That way, the rather large dimensions of the arena become less evident and more fitting to the surrounding.
As the time passes, the arena will be a place to host different events. There will be a transition in the way the building is used, but also in the way the materials will age and develop in their own patina and with it their own story. We want to end our presentation with a short video of our project, followed by a quote of Frank Lloyd Wright.
Beautiful buildings are more than signs.
They are true organisms spiritually conceived, works of art using the best technology by inspiration.
rather than the idiosyncrasies of mere taste or any averaging by the committee mind.